Hello there, guys. This is Dalton Lyons with Parkland RV Center. I was just wanting to show you guys today the 2026 Rockwood 402FL. Now, I'm a little bit biased because I'm a huge fan of Rockwood, and these front livings may be my favorite floor plan. But the overall construction of this thing is immaculate. This whole front cap is all spray foam insulated, and you can tell, I mean, it's solid. No bouncing or thumping into there. You've got the auto level system, one touch, plenty of pass-through storage up front, solar built on, even in their smaller storage compartments right back here, they put the waterproof lining and stuff at the bottom, which is just a nice touch. You've got plenty of power outside, outdoor shower. Take a look inside this thing. I'll show you why front livings are my favorite. So on Rockwoods, as far as construction goes, this is 6-sided aluminum, which it's kind of rare for all 6 sides. Normally the roof trusses are wood. Rockwood's pretty well constructed and has a good reputation behind them, so they keep all the way around. We've got a separated kitchen from the living room, which is a plus. We've got full-size appliances, pantries, power outlets inside the pantries, which is a big plus. Open spot at bottom, I like that. You can tell they really did a lot of thinking when they were designing this. We've got pull-out trash cans right here. Solid surface countertops with the marble texture in it. And as we step up the stairs here, they're all soft close and stuff too. That's really nice. As you step up the stairs into your ceiling height, into your living room, your ceiling height doesn't seem too crammed. They extended that. That's really nice and open feeling in here. Big speakers right here for your entertainment system. Your televator TV pops up right out of here. You've got your fireplace. That pulls out into a bed. This pulls out into a bed, and that's trifold, so it pulls out and out. A lot of sleeping area. This is pretty much all sleeping area if you need it to be. And then nice theater seating up there. As you step to the back here, this is nice too. I'm not a huge fan of the dinette sometimes. I like when floor plans have the freestanding table like this.
Me too.
Nice.
I like that a lot.
So all the lights in here are all dimmable. You've got a real nice shower with the bench in it and the little shelves built in. That's really nice. The porcelain potties with the foot flush and the rear bed, which is really nice. It's kind of quiet back here, separated off from anything you got going up there, because with a unit like this, you could bring the whole family with you. A lot of storage in here. And then washer dryer prep right here. And adjustable shelving in there. But
and then even more down here.
Yeah, there's storage over here. It's very nice. More even back here. Come take a look at our 2026 Rockwood 402FL here at Parkland RV.